Motion of connected bodies. Two masses m and small m are connected at the two ends of a inextensible string. The string is passing over a smooth frictionless pulley. We want to calculate the acceleration and tension in the string. Here, suppose a mass is attached to the string. The force acting on it is its weight, which is acting downward. Let its mass is m, so its weight is mg. It is acting downward. The another force that is balance this mass is tension, and its direction is in opposite direction. Similarly, here we have mass, so its weight is in this direction, that is mg, and this is a small mass and its weight is acting in this direction. Here, due to this, the tension is in up direction, and here tension is in up direction. As string is same and it is passing over a smooth pulley, so here we have tension T, here we also have the same tension T. Let us consider the mass m is greater than small m. So this mass will move in this direction, in downward direction with acceleration say a, and this mass will move upward direction with acceleration a. Here we see body is moving in downward direction, so mg is greater than t. So we write mg minus t equal to mass into acceleration. Mass is m, acceleration is a. This is the first equation. Here the body is moving in up direction, so t is greater than mg. So we have t minus mg is equal to ma. This is the second equation. Adding first and second, we get mg minus mg, tt cancel, equal to m plus m a. Here we have m minus m, g equal to m plus m a. So acceleration of the body is m minus m over m plus m g. Now we want to calculate the tension. Here we divide first by second. First by second, we get mg minus t over t minus mg equal to ma over m a. So here a cancel, we get mg minus t equal to m t minus mg over m. We take this m to the side, mg minus t equal to mt minus mg, or we get mg minus mt equal to mt minus mmg. So we take this mt this side, we get mt plus mt equal to mmg plus mmg, or we get t m plus m equal to, here we know that mmg plus mmg, that is equal to 2mg over, here we can write like this, t equal to 2mmg over m plus m. So this is the tension in the string. As shown in figure, three bodies connected together lie on a horizontal frictionless table and pulled to the right with a force F equal to 50 Newton. If M1 is 5 kg, M2 is 10 kg and M3 is 15 kg, find the tension T1 and T2. Solution: M1 is given 5 kg, M2 10 kg, M3 15 kg and force 50 Newton is given. This diagram is given here. Masses are connected by a rope and this force is acting in this direction and acceleration is also in this direction. We will use the free body diagram. And what is the meaning of this free body diagram? Its meaning is, when a number of bodies are connected together by string or rod, it is convenient to draw a free body diagram for each body separated by showing all the forces acting on it. Equation of motion for each body is written by equating the net force acting on the body to its mass times the acceleration produced. Here we see these masses are connected to each other, force is acting in this direction, so it means force equal to mass m1 m2 plus m3 acceleration. Force is equal to mass into acceleration as these masses are connected to each other. So here we get m1 5 plus m2 10, m3 15, a F 50 Newton is given, so acceleration is 50 over 30, 5 over 3 meter per second square. So we want to find the tension T1 and T2. Here we draw the free body diagram. We take only this portion. Here mass is m1 and tension is in this direction. Here acceleration is a, so it means T1 equal to mass into acceleration. So T1 equal to mass of this body is 5 kg. It is given. Acceleration is 5 over 3. So we get here 25 over 3, or it is equal to 8.33 Newton. And now we want to calculate T2. We take this portion here. We have F. Here M3 is force is in this direction and acceleration is in this direction, and here tension is in this direction. So we have F minus T2 is equal to mass into acceleration. Now F is 50 minus T2 we want to calculate. M3 is given, that is equal to 15, and acceleration we have calculated 5 over 3. So we get here 50 minus T2 equal to 25, or T2 is 50 minus 25 equal to 25 Newton. Answer.